Join me as I explore the vibrant modern side of Chengdu. From the iconic Kuanzhai Xiang alleys to the lively local spots at People's Park, I'll take you through the heart of this amazing city. Watch as I connect with the locals at the Matchmaking Square, enjoy public performances, and unwind at a traditional tea house with a beautiful tea pouring ceremony. Get ready for a night out at the Chinese Opera House, set in the buildings of the Qingyang Palace. Don't miss out on this unique journey through Chengdu.
乘客您好，开往5跟松方向的列车即将进站，请先下后上。
Tonight, we're diving into one of the city's most famous spots, Kuanzhai Xiang, aka Wide Narrow Alley. We're getting on at Wenshu Monastery Station on Metro Line 1, then switching over to Line 2. After that, we'll take a short walk to Kuanzhai Xiang. Let's go! Did you know Kuanzhai Xiang, or Wide Narrow Alley, dates all the way back to the Qing dynasty? On one side of the alley, we have the Wide Alley, or Kuanxiangzhi, and on the other side, we have Zhai Xiangzhi, aka Narrow Alley. Nowadays, it's buzzing with street vendors, live music, and restaurants. But the coolest part is all the buildings still keep their traditional Qing dynasty style. It's like stepping back in time. So I just finished having a shower and I've changed into a Qipao, which is the traditional Chinese garment. It's a dress, and one of the distinct features about the Qipao is its Mandarin collar, where it buttons up right here. Another distinct feature about the Qipao is its left to right opening. So this side on the left overlaps the right side, and then you button it up with knots on the side. We're gonna do something amazing right now. We're gonna watch Chinese opera at Yun. This is the opera house that's located inside the ancient buildings of Qingyang Palace. 我们现在在蜀分雅韵。
来上给他。
这里啊，谢谢。这里。Each table is given snacks to eat, so we've got tea, sunflower seeds, and some fruits to snack on. The show starts at 6 p.m. It's still quite early, so let's have a look at the courtyard. A little bit about Chinese opera. It's called 变脸, which literally translates to changing faces. So performers wear layers of masks with different emotions painted on them, and they swap these faces out at a rapid speed. Chengdu locals relax by heading over to People's Park, drink tea, and watch performances. Relaxing is a necessary part of Chengdu life. In fact, Chengdu is considered China's happiest city, most likely because of its slow-paced lifestyle. At every performance, there's always snacks and tea to enhance enjoyment. Did you know that Chengdu has a matchmaking corner? We accidentally stumbled across it while walking through People's Park. It's pretty recognizable. You'll see rows of pink paper with people's information pegged on. Take a look at this woman's profile. She's listed her essentials, her date of birth, her personality and interests, her career, she has a house and a car, and she talks a bit about her family. So that's the kind of information you write on your profile. We caught the eye of someone who is trying to find a match, and he spent half an hour chatting with us. I asked him if I could share his details with anyone who was interested. So if anyone is interested, I have his WeChat account. He also wants to make it clear that he has 7 properties. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Chengdu. To wrap things up, enjoy a stunning cultural dance and a mesmerizing tea pouring performance. Don't miss my next adventure, where I explore the breathtaking Longji rice terraces and the charming village below. See you in the next one. Bye for now.